Your Stripe payout just failed, and now your money is stuck in digital limbo. It is a massive headache, but I'm going to show you exactly how to fix those verification errors so you can actually get paid. If you stay until the end, I will share a specific trick regarding your ACH allow list that stops your bank from blocking these transfers before they even start, which saves you hours of back and forth with customer service. The reason Stripe is rejecting your bank account usually comes down to a tiny data mismatch. Think of it like a digital handshake. If your hand is even slightly out of position, the connection fails. Stripe's security systems are incredibly sensitive, so if your middle initial is on your bank statement but not in your Stripe settings, the system flags it as a potential fraud risk and shuts down the payout. It is not a glitch in the software, it is actually the system doing its job too well to protect your funds. To fix this, you need to go directly into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to Settings, then click on Business Settings. Grab your most recent physical bank statement and look at it right now. You must type your account number, routing number, and name exactly as they appear on that paper. If your bank uses a specific currency, make sure your Stripe settings match that currency perfectly. Once you update this, check the Payouts section of your dashboard to see if the error cleared. If Stripe sent microdeposits to verify your account, wait at least 2 to 3 days for them to show up. You have to enter the two specific amounts exactly. If you already tried this and failed too many times, the system will lock you out. Don't panic. The fix is to delete the bank account from Stripe entirely and add it back as a fresh entry to reset your attempts. If the dashboard still shows a rejection, you need to call your bank. Tell them you are expecting an ACH transfer from Stripe and ask them to confirm your account is active and capable of receiving these types of payments. If everything on your end is perfect, but the money still isn't moving, take a screenshot of your bank statement and send it to Stripe support through the dashboard. Tell them the exact date and the amount of the failed payout so they can manually override the block. Now, here is that pro tip I promised. Many business banks have a debit filter that automatically blocks new company IDs for your protection. To prevent this from ever happening again, ask your bank to allow list Stripe's specific ACH IDs. This gives Stripe a VIP pass to drop money into your account without being questioned by your bank's security filter. Now that your payments are flowing, you should look into how to automate your bookkeeping so you don't have to manually track these payouts every month.